Hey friends, let's see today's current affair. The first topic is Alzheimer's disease. New criteria for detecting. Created by physicians and researchers from around the world were recently presented at the International Alzheimer Congress AAIC in Amsterdam. It slowly destroys memory and thinking skills and eventually the ability to carry out the simplest task. तो जो डिसीज़ है वो डिस्ट्रॉय करता है मेमोरी को और थिंकिंग स्किल को एंड देन एबिलिटी टू कैरी आउट द simplest task. Next is BIMSTEC meeting. You can say Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral Technical and Economical Cooperation. It's a full form of this. So the first ever foreign minister meeting of the Bay of BIMSTEC, you can say Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral Technical and Economic Cooperation, recently began in Bangkok, being on 16 June 1997 through the Bangkok Declaration. Next is Crimean Congo hemorrhagic fever. So it's a fever. It's found in rising temperature. तो ये जो फीवर है वो राइजिंग टेम्परेचर में पाया जाता है, नॉट फाउंड इन कोल्ड टेम्परेचर या कोल्ड क्लाइमेट यू कैन से. इज़ अ वायरल हेमोरेजिक फीवर यूजुअली ट्रांसमिटेड बाय ticks. First detected among soldiers in the Crimean Peninsula in 1944. Virus host है goats, cattle and sheep. Let's see another headline. Chachin Grazing Festival. The Chachin Grazing Festival recently took place in the Twang region. During the festival, several initiatives were undertaken to support the local graziers. The Mompa lifestyle deeply rooted in the region. Next is Global Food Regulators Summit 2023. Delhi is all set to host the Global Food Regulators Summit 2023. Scheduled for July 2020, 2021 and 2023. Aims इसका क्या है? To bring together food regulators from over 40 countries and representatives from 30 international organizations. A global theme क्या है इसका? The theme of the summit, One Earth, One Family, One Future, aligns perfectly with India's G20 presidency. Let's see another one. Wimbledon title, Carlos Alcaraz defeated Novak Djokovic in a thrilling 5-set final to win his first Wimbledon title. It's a 4 major tennis tournaments known as Grand Slam events. तो इसको Grand Slam events भी कहा जाता है. Thank you. Keep watching. Keep learning.